Hey, welcome back everybody. On this video, I'll be removing the water heater that was installed in the RV, in the fifth wheel, for a couple of reasons. Number one is, we want to go with tankless, and there was some water damage underneath, so I had to remove it in order to get at the space underneath it. So the biggest pain I had was not having the right tools. In order to get the water out of the hot water heater tank, I had to have some sockets, and I didn't have any sockets, so I was using my adjustable wrench trying to get that nut loose, and it was on pretty tight. But anyways, this is a quick little one, removing the water heater, and then we'll install a new Suburban Advantage tankless water heater. So enjoy. Adios.